Hi, my name is Priyam and I'm an undergraduate student here at UC Berkeley. So I'm majoring in molecular and cell biology, although on campus I often find myself working on projects that merge my passions for entrepreneurship, science, and education. So one of the things that I do here at UC Berkeley is I work in a gene therapy lab, and in this lab I investigate the unknown functions of certain open reading frames of segments of DNA of certain viruses that we're studying. And the reason that I'm doing this in the first place is these viruses, if genetically engineered, and the viral particles, if genetically engineered, can actually be used as cancer gene therapy delivery mechanisms for cancer cells. So a project I've been working on recently is called Project Rewrite, and Project Rewrite is a gender equity ed tech startup that is striving to bridge the gender gaps that continue to exist in STEM education by essentially supporting textbook writers in rewriting their elementary school STEM curriculum to be more inclusive of some of the incredible accomplishments that women and gender diverse individuals have done in the field of science, but have often gone unnoticed simply due to their background. So this is a project that was started back in August, and over these past couple of months, we've been getting mentorship with mentors here at Berkeley, and actually this week we'll be presenting at Northwestern and pitching our work to a series of judges and students and professors at Northwestern. I love this question of what inspired me to pursue STEM in education in the first place, because it really takes me back to my roots on how I came to be the student I am today and why I'm majoring in molecular and cell biology here in college. So actually when I was in middle school, science for the longest of time was actually my weakest subject, but there was one teacher who really motivated me to try out for the Science Olympiad team and try something that was outside of my comfort zone, and I'm so glad I took that advice, because after I was on the Science Olympiad team, I developed this passion for molecular and cell biology, and that eventually led me to taking a more hands-on approach to science, where I found myself working in various labs over the course of my high school career, competing in different science fair competitions and presenting my research work. And all of this would have not been possible if it weren't for that one teacher back in middle school. There were so many incredible mentors and educators throughout my entire life who have truly shaped me into the individual I am today, two of them being from my high school. So one of them was Mrs. Shapley, and she was my English teacher and academic decathlon coach, and she was the one who showed me what a true leader looks like. And I have never seen someone with such incredible leadership skills, and to this day I'm very much inspired, and I use some of those same lessons that she learned into my leadership skills. And also my biotechnology Mrs. Muller, who furthered my passion for the biotechnology and biomedical sciences. And I'd also like to pay homage to my fourth grade elementary school science teacher, who I still keep in contact to this day, and she was the one who instilled a growth mindset with me and always pushed the idea of always learn, and learning is a never-ending process. And so these three teachers have truly shaped me into the individual I am today. One piece of advice I have for young girls is to have a good network and support system with you and a good team with you. Science is simply not a one-person job, and it's so important that you surround yourself with people who, even if they're from very diverse backgrounds, share that same kind of passion as you do. And simply what you learn in science is that things don't turn out the way you always want them to. But as a team, you can grow together and you can learn from each other. And that's why it's so key that you foster those kind of relationships and connections with the people around you who share those same kind of passions as you do. Thank you, Etre, for the feature, and so happy that I could talk with you this week. And remember to never stop learning. Thank you.